Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about India Pesticides IPO. Before we start, if you have not subscribed this channel, do subscribe by pressing the subscribe button and press bell icon to get updated about our future videos. So let's start. We will first talk about the company. The company India Pesticide Limited is established in 1984. It is one of the leading agrochemicals manufacturer in India. The company operates two types of business. First, technical, and second is formulations. It manufactures herbicide, fungicide, technicals and active pharmaceuticals ingredients. Also, it is the sole Indian manufacturer of several technicals like Fopet, thiocarbamate and herbicide. The company also manufactures 30 plus formulations of insecticide, fungicides and herbicides. Its technicals are majorly exported in 20 plus countries. Australia, Asia, Africa and European countries contributed 62% of technical segment revenues in financial year 2020. However, agrochemicals formulations are primarily sold to domestic crop protection manufacturers like Syngenta Asia Private Limited, UPL Limited. Currently, the company has two manufacturing plants, one in Lucknow and second one in Hardoi, located at Uttar Pradesh, with an installed capacity of 19,500 megaton for agrochemicals and 6,500 megaton for formulation. Now, let's look at the competitive strengths of the company. This company is among the top 5 global players of Fopet, thiocarbamate and herbicides technicals. The company has diversified product portfolio with specialized products. The company has domestic as well as international market presence. The track record of financial looks good and it has strong research and development capabilities. Talking about the promoters of the company, Anand Swarup Agarwal and the ASF Family Trust are the promoters of the company. Let's look at financial. The revenue of this company increased from 346 crore to 655 crore at CAGR of 12.27% and the profit grows from 43.92 crore to 134.53 crore at CAGR of 17.25%. Also, we can see the net profit margin improved from 13% to 21% in last 3 financial years. Now, let's talk about objectives of this IPO. The company requires working capital and to meet general corporate purposes. Let's talk about the issue details. The IPO will open on 23rd of June and remain open till 25th of June. This issue is book build issue IPO. The face value of one equity share is 1 rupee. The IPO came at price band of 290 rupees to 296 rupees per equity share. It has 50 shares in one lot and you can apply in multiple of it. The share will be listed on BSE and NSE. The size of this issue is 800 crore, in which fresh issue is of 100 crore and offer for sale of 700 crore. The allotment will be finalized on 30th of June and it will list on 5th of July. A retail investor applying for less than 2 lakhs of shares can apply maximum 13 lots of which would cost 1,92,400 rupees and one lot would cost 14,800 rupees. Before this issue, promoter of this company holds 82.68% shares, which will reduce after this IPO to 72%. Post issue, company's current paid up equity capital of rupees 11.18 crore will stand enhanced to rupees 11.52 crore. Based on the upper price band, India Pesticide Limited is looking for a market cap of rupees 3,408.84 crore. If we attribute financial year 2021 earning on fully diluted equity post issue, then the asking price is at a price to earning ratio of 25.34 against an industry average of 47.44. We try to give every information about upcoming IPO. If you have any query, do comment. If you find this information useful, share it with your friends and press the like button. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, do subscribe this channel because we are regularly posting stock market updates.